I sell a lot of real estate, and one of the disappointing factors is that a lot of the backyards do let down a lot of these beautiful homes. But I know it's a very inexpensive way to add significant value to your property. I think we can all agree that one of the most important features of a good outdoor area is, of course, an open fire, and you can't go past a chiminea. This one in particular is made of cast iron, so once it warms up, it radiates the heat. In particular, it has the added feature of a grill which goes on top. So if you enjoy cooking a flame grilled steak like I do and you get disappointed when you have to go inside, forget about it, this has got you covered. Concrete pots are a fantastic way to add life and personality to your outdoor area, but make sure that you complement it with a beautiful outdoor dining set, somewhere that all the family and friends can sit around and enjoy.